Hello, many people ask me how to study. So today I will share 3 tips, just 3 simple tips on how you can make your process of studying easier. Okay, there's no shortcut to getting good results, but there are good strategy that will help you achieve your desired goals. Now, there are 3 tips I like to share as a student, as a teacher. Number 1, use short forms or mnemonics to remember key facts. For example, in the study of chemistry, under the topic of reactivity of metals, we learn about the order of reactivity of metals. We need to know which is the most reactive metal, followed by the less reactive until the least reactive metal in the metals reactivity series. So, what I taught my students was to remember a sentence that helped them to recall the order of reactivity. For example, Porkstar can make all Chinese zombie in town lose his cool. Okay, so looking at the sentence, each word start with a letter that represents the element symbol. For example, Porkstar represents potassium and sodium elements. Can make represents calcium and magnesium. So in this way, the students can remember the reactivity of metals in an interesting and engaging manner. They love this and they can remember the series better. Number 2, other than using mnemonic, you can also summarize your own notes in your own way in a table form or in a graphic organizer. Instead of just reading from the textbook and the notes given by your school, you should construct your own written notes so that as you write down your notes, you can remember the details better and able to summarize the key points, the key concepts of each relevant topic. Number 3, test, and test. Yes, always give yourself enough practices to do the past year questions and to give yourself many formative assessments to assess your learning, to know where you are and what are the learning gaps that you need to fill up. It's very important to do past year paper because you will need to be familiar with the exam format, structure, and the type of typical questions that will be tested. Of course, the paper that you're going to take may not be the same question that you practice, but at least it gives you a rough idea how the paper will look like and the level of difficulty. That's it. Thank you.